All right, we now move on to speaking part two. Describe an interesting thing you have learned from a foreign culture, please.
An interesting thing which I have learned from a foreign culture is the celebration of Mother's Day. When I was in my college, one of my friend who was studying in USA came back from there in her summer break. We were meeting after so long, so we shared about her college and how the culture was so different there. One of the thing which she told me uh, uh, about the event that is Mother's Day, which really impressed me. It is celebrated on second Sunday in May. I told about this culture to my sister, and we both decided to celebrate it over here. Um, on the day we my sister cooked a food for my mother. Then we took her to a mall to give a present to her, and then we took her to her favorite restaurant in the night. Um, uh, I still remember the day. I still remember that day. I My mother
Okay,
was
thank you
so.
so much. Instead of focusing on Mother Day, it's better to focus on that thing that you learned from a foreign culture. Now, what are the cues? What it is? It is the celebration
Celebration
of
of
Mother
Mother
Day. Second cue, how you learned it. You should
from a
speak more about it. I learned it from my friend.
friend.
I was there in a foreign country, and on that day, they celebrated it, and I was so surprised to see how they showed their love and affection to their mother, something like that. Then, why you learned it? So instead
Uh,
of you celebrating Mother's Day, you need to talk about these
the-
points. It's better. So it's a good idea to note down the points as well
Mhm.
and to speak according to the topic. And don't try to put anything off the topic in your topic, right? Now let's go on. What is the best way to learn about foreign culture?
We can learn foreign culture. Okay, we can learn from the media, from
Now listen, now don't give me shopping list. First of all, we can learn
learn.
from the media. If we are interested in American culture, for example, we can watch American channels, American movies, American seasons, and we can learn a lot about American culture. On the other hand, see that this is called signposting. So now answer again. What is the best way to learn about other culture?
Okay, we can learn it from the from various channels. One it could be the media, or by using different internet apps. We can also learn through the internet. So
Yeah. At the end, you need to conclude your answer. Okay. Organize your thoughts, organize your ideas, and you'll be fine. Okay.
okay.
Thank you so much.